Your home awaits you here in Houston, Texas. Welcome to 6013 Kansas Street, Unit B. Let me show you around. We are excited to present this gorgeous home located in a gated community that features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 2 laundry rooms. Entering the home, you are welcomed by stunning hardwood flooring and a secondary bedroom with an ensuite bath. The second floor features 10-foot ceilings and an open living, dining, and kitchen areas, including a second floor balcony just off the living room. You'll love entertaining guests in the chef's kitchen with stainless steel appliances and an expansive kitchen island featuring granite countertops with bar stool seating. The third floor features the primary bedroom with dual closets and a primary bathroom that showcases a garden tub, dual sinks, and a walk-in shower. Also upstairs is the third bedroom with an ensuite bath. A unique feature about this home is the 30 by 10 backyard space with a covered patio, new pavers, and pet-friendly turf. This area is a great place to relax and unwind or host a barbecue. Cottage Grove is an ideal location close to major freeways, shopping, and dining experiences only minutes away. Call us today so we can show you why this is the perfect place for you and your family to call home.